Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to use mental health features on your iPhone 17 Air. So on your iPhone 17 Air you can monitor your mental health, track your mood, and also keep a personal journal. So first of all, let's go to Health application, and at the bottom right corner of your screen you want to tap this browse icon, and from the health categories you want to select mental well-being, and here scroll down to state of mind section, and if this is your first time you want to tap get started button. And first of all I have to select if I want to capture how I am feeling right now or how you felt overall today. I will go in with the first option, tap next button, and now the most interesting part, that you can drag the slider to indicate how do you feel. Tap next button and answer two questions. The first one is what best describes this feeling. So you can select a few descriptive words that apply to your mood, and also you can tap show more to see even more emotions. So let's select a few ones, tap next button, and the next question is what's having the biggest impact on you. So select something from this category and tap done button. And over time you will see charts of your mood and emotions if you tap this calendar icon in the top right corner of your screen. No, not here. I'm sorry, you have to here's the button show in charts, and this is basically your chart. So as you proceed with this calendar over time, you will see different information about your mood and also your emotions. Okay, so and now let's talk about journal application. You have to open it, and you have to tap this plus button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and now you can write whatever that you want to. You can write your thoughts, your reflections. So here are some options that you can choose. You can add some photos to your journal. Also you can add some voice memo. And and when you're done typing your thoughts, you have to tap this icon to submit, and here you will see every single let's say note that you leave here. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.